Yes, you're with us here on Republic, and let's get you the latest coming in from Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee earlier has met with the residents of Balrampur village in Nandigram. Now, viewers, it is here that she claims an attack on a TMC worker and goes on to say that she will be raising the entire issue with the Election Commission. What will is this story all about? Our colleague Anuj reporting on that. Anuj, tell us more. Okay, what we'll do is, before we connect to Anuj, let's quickly listen in to that big allegation being made by Mamata Banerjee.
I'm telling you that you ask the family, their family member is in trauma center, is in coma. I do not know whether it will survive or not. They are not allowing them to enter the villages. They are not allowing them for their food, shelter, anything. They are asking them security. See, the Election Commission must give them the security. You see, Balrampur village, it is Nandigram. How they are doing the nuisance. You see, I am also contesting from here. But my problem is, Law and Order Election Commission is taking care. I will submit the Election Commission. Give them security.
All right, so that is Mamata Banerjee claiming attack on the TMC. Anuj reporting live on that story for us. You know, Anuj, we are just playing our images of what happened with the BJP leader Ashok Dinda just a little while earlier. But not just that, Anuj, also what happened with Nimtama. I think important to put the entire story into perspective. And before I come to you, I think it's important once more that we put out exactly what we've heard from Mamata Banerjee. Anuj, then I'm coming back to you.
This is too much. I am telling you that you ask the family, their family member is in trauma center, is in coma. I do not know whether it will survive or not. They are not allowing them to enter the villages. They are not allowing them for their food, shelter, anything. They are asking them security. See, the Election Commission must give them the security. You see, Balrampur village, it is Nandigram. How they are doing the nuisance. You see, I am also contesting from here. But my problem is, Law and Order Election Commission is taking care. I will submit the Election Commission. Give them security.
All right, Anuj. So we've heard what Mamata Banerjee said, but not a word on what happened with Nimtama, not a word on this alleged attack near Moina on the BJP leader, Anuj. So what do we make of this?
Oh, well, exactly one thing we need to understand, if we'll go through the larger picture, then this is Nandigram, just before the phase 2. And if we're talking about phase 2, then yes, Nandigram is the most important seat where from where Mamata Banerjee herself is contesting the election. So at this point in time, what we are seeing is these kind of reactions coming in. Mamata Banerjee at this point in time, just before the election and just before the campaigning ends, reaches to the Balrampur village and alleging that these are the TMC members who have been attacked by Bharatiya Janata Party leadership, and she will be going to the Election Commission, and again TMC will be at the doorstep of Election Commission. But we need to understand it at this point in time. This is something which has been stated by both the parties, and as you pointed it out very rightly, not even a single word when we talk about the violence which could be clearly witnessed on the ground level. The Bharatiya Janata Party also alleging the same again and again, coming out with such kind of reactions, and the visuals we just broke of Ashok, the candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's something what exactly the reality on the ground level is, because this is not limited to one party. The fact which can never be denied, that this is Bharatiya Janata Party alleging that they have been attacked by TMC, and this is TMC who is alleging that they have been attacked by Bharatiya Janata Party. But at the end of the day, this violence could be clearly witnessed. We have to see what exactly will be the response of Election Commission when Mamata Banerjee will be going to Election Commission. But on the very same time, we have to keep in mind why Nandigram and Balrampur is being focused, because Balrampur is going to be the part of of Nandigram only, and the Nandigram is going to go for the poll on 1st of April. So just before the important election date and the important phase, we should say, this is all happening, and the development coming in from Nandigram. Yes.
Oh yes, and Anuj, which side is more nervous? Which side has more to lose? The voter, remember, will be speaking on the 1st of April, Anuj, for the moment. Thank you.